Hey Aquarius, welcome back to my place. This is me, SA, and my place, SA Shawl Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot. So I'm also on Instagram. Links are easily available. If you wish to support the channel, donate to the channel. I highly appreciate it, and I appreciate who all are doing it. Your smallest of gesture is going to go further. So thank you for that. It does support me. Also, for booking private readings, my Gmail is there. Essential speaks messages at @gmail.com. And my PayPal, my UPI ID from India, people can do. GPay is also there for international payments and PayPal. Okay. What else? You can even direct message me on Insta, and from there we further proceed. So, someone over here has eyes on you. They have eyes on you, literally. Okay. And someone over here is actually, they say, dying to talk to you. That means that they have that craving, not exactly DYING, but it's just a feeling abstract that says that someone is so interested in talking to you, whether it's again or someone who does want to just send you messages, and they're going to end up sending you something or the other to, a little bit distract you, to engage with you basically on a positive note possible. But there is someone who is dying to talk to you. I am telling you. And they're also, I mean, I'm actually literally seeing this typing. TYP. Look, pi. Okay, so TYPING typing. I'm hearing the letter R, but I'm also hearing the letter, full word actually, reborn. REBORN. This kind of energy is coming again and again. Okay, sort of like wolfing, like a wolf energy, but what sort of like someone who is so desperate, or who is craving this connection possible again, or someone who could be even in your territory, or someone who is interested in you, or maybe they're just you just have this platonic relationship with this person. mm, Maybe they want to talk, ahead possible. So I can see intense interest, I would say, not yet connection, but for some of you, this is the message of intense uh, interest and wanting or desire to have this interaction with you. Okay. And the bottom energy over here is Eight of Wands energy. So definitely there is someone who's going to type something to for you. Just let me speak. Like they're saying, are you crazy? We are not. So they're literally, if you believe in your angels, they're saying, are you crazy? I am. We all are. We need to. Okay. Oof. Someone who is interested in giving this rebirth, or reborn means they're going to reappear in your life, basically. The card over here is death. Something definitely ended, or something was put on, like, just end. This is the end. This is death of something. But what after death? Birth, rebirth. In few of the cards, it's rebirth, right? But reborn, rebirth, but also Scorpio energy. Um, Someone is going to ask you for a chance, or yes, very very heavy emotional sign is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. They're not letting me speak. Seriously, I'm off with words today. Okay, let's see. Yeah, something ended. Felt as if a soul connection, but something ended. Okay, you have few cards already. Wish I could record that as well, but it's not vertical, it's horizontal. And I feel like nowadays, I mean, I go with the calling, but yes, nowadays it feels so like broad and good, and like you can keep up, because I can show you the cards though. So you have Six of Wands energy and Knight of Cups energy, and bottom is Knight of Wands energy. I do feel there are also choices. I mean, suitors are there. Like there could be two energies wanting to talk to you. It's about they want to talk to you. Okay, and the game is what game? And the game is on. No, not a mind game, but this game is on. Something was on hold, and something is going to be starting again. So this could be someone from recent distant past. Okay. But suitors or choices as people who are interested in you. There could be two energies. I'm telling you honestly, okay? And this is about you. What do you want? But there is someone who is going to connect with you or wanting to oh my, want to get connect. I'm wrong with my English today. What is? I don't know who is speaking through me. um, it feels though that someone's first language is not English, which means that they may be from some country where they speak, for example, Spanish. Okay, I don't know Spanish at all. Okay, so but my first language is mother language is Hindi. Okay, but I speak in English because that's what I started my channel with and all, and I do quite well. Okay, but the thing over here is what I want to say is that their main mother tongue is like what we speak at home. What I speak at home, I speak at home in Hindi language. That is the first language, right? I don't speak with everyone around English, but with few friends, with people, acquaintances, or here I speak like that. Okay, so the point here is that they speak English, they understand English, but they don't often speak that particular language all the time. So when they speak English, it's kind of cute that they are forgetting some words, okay, or it's like something that's like it's special, it's cute, and it's I think joyful, right? I mean, I love different accents. The way they speak, like, I've heard like in K dramas, the way they speak English, okay, because their language is Korean, right? But they speak English. So when they speak English, and the accent is also nice, and I just love listening to that, like how they're beautifully saying computer, like it's nice. I mean, we all understand, but it's just different accents, right? So, yeah. And I love learning things as well, and I love learning accents as well. Okay, back to the point. Your message is that Knight of Wands energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, there could be someone interested in you. Whoa. And definitely from um, one of them is a Scorpio possible. So because the connecting card here with Knight of Wands is Six of Cups. Okay, and I'm seeing this with you, but also third last card is just to show you Three of Swords. Something stopped, something got into misunderstanding, or just separate ways kind of. But here at the bottom, this person is definitely interested in talking to you, someone's energy. Okay, going like dying to talk to you kind of. And the cards those are on the platter is there is someone new could be in the territory or new offer, and that is going to drive certain person crazy if they get to know about what is going on in your life. Okay, but there is also someone, Knight of Cups. um there is entry of someone, that I can tell you. There's entry of someone in your life, especially with feelings or offers, and they don't want to go crazy with this. They have this nervous zone and they don't want to lose you. So what does that mean? Fear of losing you. Okay, and the fear of losing is going to be so clear that you'll know what does that mean and what I mean actually. But there is certain kind of offer coming definitely, which is going to be beautiful in its own ways. Okay, but on the other side, ooh, this person's energy, I can feel this person's energy is driving, like literally, like whatever they're showing, it's not that. But please make right and wise choices for yourself. Why? Because you don't want to cry again and again. Okay, if you ever cried with this person and all that stuff, just don't. But there is something beautiful that you're heading towards, and something is heading towards you. Six of Wands. Now what does that mean? It means new journey, lover coming home, or someone coming towards you, getting inclined to you, an offer of love, an offer of something beautiful that is going to make sense and that is going to be part of your growth. Doesn't necessarily mean always romantic, could be for some, but for some this is journey ahead. This is some exciting phase of your life that is going to be very good for you. Okay, so in the now you're going to cherish some phases of your life where you'll have some deep interaction regarding work, deep interaction regarding friendship, or something that is going to blossom. Also, it's something that you're going to get certain kind of like what is that, feedback or something like for your work or something, right? Yes, for your work, for your hard work, you're going to get some kind of feedback. Yes, yes, definitely. Page of Pentacles. This is also some kind of offer coming, work offer coming, money coming your way. Uh, Things like it's going to add up. Like they're saying that some things are going to add up in your life, which is going to make total sense, and you're going to actually enjoy it. Okay, what is coming in future? Emotional, someone emotional journey definitely coming, and I do feel like please don't share this. Don't share. It's too soon to say. Look, I'm telling you, it's stuck in my finger. Don't share this with anyone unless and until. Don't just share it. Lay low, okay? Mm, it's going to be known by people who are supposed to know in the right order and in the right time. Okay? It's going to be fine. So, what is coming ahead is very clear offer from certain person. It is coming like in from your present to future. So it's a future card of Ace of Cups. And there's a love situation. There is love coming. There is some pious connection. Definitely, it's walking into your life. So this is very like how I can explain you in moral. This is the moral. Someone is going to be slow and steady, winning you and focusing on you and entering in your life, and everything is going to be fine. Okay, because you also have the bottom energy as Eight of Wands energy. Lot of communication, lot of talk, lot of movement. Possible some of your travel is on cards. Maybe someone you're going to meet very soon. Okay. Six of Cups. For some of you, you've been talking with someone for a while. But it could be platonic right now. But it's initiating into something beautiful as well. Let's see peekaboo in the future. Oh my, someone is in love with you, and if that makes sense, like if I say there is someone else, like they're saying that someone is rotating, like literally someone is rotating. Okay, rotating and coming back to you, coming back to square one. Not you, this person, like you are that home kind of. um they may be from past. Okay, and this time it's going to be such a challenge. um Such a challenge to cope. Like, the game is on, kind of. Let's see what is coming in future. Peekaboo. End of chaos. You're ending some chaos in your life. You're ending something in your life that you don't need. What is coming? Peekaboo in the future. Okay, the moon phase. Now, here, two things. Someone is going to try again to connect with you because they so want to tell you something. Second, could be Piscean. There is certain situation that is like underneath, but it's going to surge. And this is what feelings are. Like there is this duality in this person's mind, okay, and heart. That what is that they are feeling. But there is something that they are going to they're actually keeping the emotions inside, actually, okay, to be precise, and it's like on hold, kind of. Like why? Because they might be feeling of what if, kind of. So but I also see two energies. I'm telling you, like maybe you dealt already with one person who was like sun. Okay, now here sun doesn't mean hope and beginning and all. What I mean is like they were scorchy maybe. Okay, the other one, whoever is you are going to connect with, is possible, or the possibility is high that they're going to be like moon. Like they're going to be cool but not so cold. Okay, cool in a way of like not scorchy, calm energy. Okay, subtle energy, kind energy. But also I'm feeling like this could be again for certain cases, because these are not private, okay, readings. So for some cases this could be someone who is both, what same person but both the energies. Sun else also, moon also. So someone who showed you that sun phase like scorchy or hot, but actually what they feel for you is subtle, calm energy, and they're kind. Okay, kind in a way of like they don't want to, they don't like shouting at you. They don't want to and all that stuff. So they show like, oh, I'm like this, I'm like that, but no. Yeah, that's what I see for you. But let me see from cards. Yeah, from this, what is coming for Aquarius is something is at extreme. It's going to reach an extreme. Oof. You need to see this because if it's between two energies, extreme of something, harshness, cutting off, erratic decisions, erratic. Okay, but what is coming for Aquarius? To be honest, some of us are not even ready for something so intense. Look, logged, faith. These two cards literally flipped together. We're going to talk about it. What I just said that some of us are not even ready for, okay, for love and all that stuff. Extreme something, but you have locked, missing pieces, detached, locked away heart, can't move forward or cannot move forward. You see this, like this is kind of situation possible, or you feel this right now possible, or someone is feeling that way, even if this is something coming along. Okay, that's why I said maybe emotionally. It's also like having emotions like stuck, like what to do, like and your next card is faith, which is underneath. Now, any like you what you have done is you have locked possible your heart, you're taking care of it, okay? So you can move forward unless and until you find that missing piece, okay? Or someone find. So you might be the missing piece of that person, but they need to convince you for that what, I am the one, you're my wish. We look at this, faith is connected. So maybe somehow you also have this faith, even if you have locked the heart, even if you are finding the you're finding that piece, missing piece, so that when it comes, this is, look, lamp, wishing lamp up in the air. So wishing, praying and hoping for that missing piece. So you don't want to like again and again live that and experience that and the hardships and all this stuff. So basically you've locked that stuff, okay? Look at it again. Take care and see you soon. Good luck.